Hello everyone, this is Elsie Kaufman. I'm the Dean of the School of Engineering Sciences at the University of Ghana. And this year, once again, we are partnering with Firefly IO to bring you the third edition of the Ghana Robotics Competition, GRC 2025. This is going to be exciting. Last year we had an exciting time. Many schools joined us and we had wonderful competitions. This year I'm expecting it to be even bigger and better. We are expecting 500 students to participate, from middle school, senior high school, and even tertiary students. This year we've also expanded the program to include breakout sessions, career fair, other opportunities to network and to get to know each other even better, and also to learn. And so from the 24th to the 25th of October, we are expecting to see everyone at the GCB Lecture Hall on the campus of University of Ghana, where we've been having it for the past 3 years. So please, this is the Ghana Robotics Competition, GRC 2025, brought to you by the School of Engineering Sciences at University of Ghana and Firefly IO. We look forward to welcoming you. We need partners, and so we are calling on all who are interested in supporting us to nurture the next generation of innovators to come on board, join us to bring you GRC 2025. Remember, we are doing this on the campus of the University of Ghana from the 24th to the 25th of October 2025. Please join us to make this a real success. Thank you very much. See you there.